Identifying the mechanical movement inside your clock can be tricky if you don't know what to look for. In this video, we will help you understand the information you need to have ready when seeking help from our customer support team. There are two main things you need to know when seeking help with your clock: the manufacturer and the model. Keep in mind that the maker of the clock case and the movement inside the clock are not always the same. You will want to figure out who manufactured your clock cabinet first. This info can usually be found on the dial or on the lower part of the main door as a sticker or plate. If you have any paperwork with the clock, check that for any numbers that may indicate the model of the clock. Once you have the information on the paperwork, it's time to look at the movement itself. Carefully move your clock away from the wall and use the back panel or the side doors to get a look at the interior of the clock. When looking at the movement, there are a handful of things to note, especially if you're making a call to customer support. Firstly, look for any names or numbers stamped on the back of the movement. You will want to see how many hammers the movement has and whether it is pendulum or balance driven. Is it a floor clock, a wall clock, or a mantle clock? And finally, is it cable, chain, or spring wound? All this is information we would ask for if you make a call to customer support. Having it on hand helps us assist you quickly. Pictures are even better. You can email or text us photos, which allows us to give you even more accurate support. Now for a brief breakdown on what movements we provide replacements or conversions for. Emperor clocks have used movements from Jauch, Urgos, Hermle, and Kieninger. We don't provide replacements for Kieninger movements, but Kieninger themselves still sells them. For Jauch, we provide 3 replacement movements: the 100M, the 200M, and the 300M. The old Jauch movement will have a 77 stamped on the back for the 100M, and Pendel 110 centimeter for the 200M and 300M. The 200M and the 300M look identical, but the 200M is a Westminster only with fewer hammers than the triple chime 300M. For Urgos movements, the numbers usually start with a UW, followed up by 5 digits and sometimes a letter. Take a look at the Urgos conversion chart pinned down in the comments to see what replacements we offer. Hermle movements are usually 6 or 7 digits long, divided by a dash in the center. You can find a conversion chart for these as well down in the pinned comment. This should help you get a head start on collecting all the information you need when contacting us for support. For all your clock needs, head over to emperorclock.com.